Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's prepare an authentic Kerala-style Chicken Rasam, a comforting dish bursting with bold pepper, aromatic spices, juicy chicken, and tangy tamarind flavors. Whether you're feeling under the weather or simply craving something warm and delicious, this flavorful rasam is sure to satisfy. Let's begin this easy mouth-watering recipe together. Let's begin with making masala in a mixer jar. Add 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds. These give our rasam its signature earthy flavor. 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper for that bold, warming kick. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds to bring a beautiful aroma. Give everything a quick crush until the spices are coarsely ground and fragrant. Now add 20 grams of garlic, the heart of every flavorful Kerala curry. 50 grams of small onions for natural sweetness and depth. Toss in 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves for that unmistakable Kerala aroma. 20 grams of tamarind to give the rasam its delicious tangy punch. 4 to 5 fiery Kandhari chilies for authentic heat and flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for a rich golden color. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to deepen the spice and color. Grind everything together into a coarse, juicy masala bursting with fresh flavors. Heat a kadai and pour in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil until it's beautifully hot. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle joyfully. 1 sprig of curry leaves and enjoy that irresistible sizzling aroma. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Drop in 2 dried red chilies for an extra layer of smoky flavor. Stir everything together until the spices become wonderfully aromatic. Now add the freshly crushed masala. Sauté the masala patiently until the raw smell disappears and the kitchen fills with an irresistible aroma. Add the paste of 1 medium-sized tomato for freshness and natural richness. Continue sautéing until the tomato blends beautifully with the masala and the oil begins to separate. Now add 250 grams of chicken pieces, letting them soak up every bit of that flavorful masala. Mix the chicken thoroughly with the spices and cook on low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to penetrate every piece. Pour in enough water to completely cover the chicken, or adjust according to your preferred rasam consistency. Add salt to taste, and ½ teaspoon of Asafoetida powder for a deliciously savory finish. Stir everything well until all the flavors come together into a rich, fragrant broth. Cover the kadai and let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken becomes perfectly tender and the rasam is infused with every spice. Finally, garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. And there you have it, delicious Kerala-style chicken rasam. Rich, peppery, tangy, and bursting with aromatic spices. Every spoonful is pure comfort. Serve it piping hot with steamed rice or enjoy it as a soothing soup. A simple, flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal and every season. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.